To access BESTDirect Classic View, you will need to click on Futures and then select BESTDirect Classic. This window provides all of the functionality of our original BESTDirect application by listing the account status, the position and order summary all on one screen. Pressing the refresh button will completely repopulate all of the information on the screen with the latest information from the PFGBEST.com trade server. All positions, balances, orders, and prices will be completely refreshed. The Account tab allows you to select the specific account you intend to trade. If you are an individual trader, you will only see your main account defaulted in the box. A broker will be able to select from a list of his customer accounts. And if a broker intends to place block trades, he will want to have his broker number in this box. The push pin will open a floating window showing only the BESTDirect Classic view. This section is the Positions section. The Positions window will list all open positions in your account. If a broker account is selected, he will be able to see all open positions in all accounts under his control. The table will list your order number, the account number, the trade date, your buys, your sells, the contract description, the trade price, the trade ID, the last price, and the net change for any open positions. Right-clicking in the grid will give you menu options to load a ticket, show net position, load closing net position, recalculate, open a DOM panel, open a trade window, and open a chart. The summary table automatically refreshes anytime an order is filled and will continually update quotes and position balances as long as there is a connection to the quote server. This next window is the quote window. As different contracts are selected in the trade panel, they are automatically added to the quote window. This grid is not customizable. However, there is a right-click menu that will give you menu options to buy, sell, open a DOM panel, open a trade window, set your upper and lower alarms, load a ticket, quick trade, unsubscribe from your commodity, remove the symbol from your quote list, as well as open a chart. The next section is the Rapid Order Entry field. This field provides a shorthand method of entering a trade. For example, if I want to buy, I'll enter B for buy or S for sell, followed by a space. Then you'll need to enter the quantity, followed by a space. Then you'll want to select the contract and expiration, followed by a space, and then the order type. You'll also notice that the information populates in this field. This is where you'll want to verify your order. If I in fact want to buy one E-mini S&P, a June 2008 contract, a market order for this specific account, as well as a day order, I'll simply click on the Execute Trade button. To place a trade using the actual trade panel, you'll first need to select buy or sell. Then you can either type in the quantity in this field or make your selection from the drop-down list. You'll need to select the contract you're intending to trade from this drop-down list. Select the year as well as the current contract month, and your order specification, if it's a market order, a limit order, a stop order, or a stop limit order. After all of that information is in place, simply click on the Execute Trade button. To place limit orders, if I select a limit order, I can either type my price in this field, use the arrows to make my selection, or simply click on the price ladder. And the price ladder displays streaming prices for the commodity selected in your trade panel. BESTDirect Classic gives you options to actually trade option orders, place simple option trades on the BESTDirect Classic view. This FQ button stands for Flash Quote or Find Quote, and it's for instances where there are not real-time streaming quotes, and provides the most recent delayed quote for the contract. The account status section shows the various account balances. It will list your cash balance, your liquidating value, the margin required, the margin excess, as well as your open, close, and net values. If you check this Control Resize button, it allows you to resize the window without losing or hiding any information on the window. The Execute Trade button obviously submits the selected trade information to our PFGBEST.com server, which in turn submits the order to the exchange. Also under Order Specs, if you select the GTC box, that order will then become a Good Till Cancel order, or the MOC box will make your order a Market on Close order. The Clear button, it clears any stop or limit prices set up in your order specification section. Currently we have a limit price in this field. If I click on the Clear button, it will clear that information out and default it back to a market order. This Lock button will disable trading from the panel itself. This section is your order history section. It provides a complete listing of all the day's trading activity. All orders, working orders, canceled orders, or rejected orders, as well as your filled orders will appear here. Right-clicking in the grid will give you additional menu options. You can cancel your orders, open a DOM, open a trade panel, open a chart, save the orders grid. You can print this also. For further review of the BESTDirect Classic view, press on the F1 button on your keyboard to bring up a help menu for BESTDirect Classic.